Here's a new 2019 GMC Sierra 1500. Comfort, convenience, power, and performance. For most trucks, these are ideals. For this truck, it's an undeniable reality. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Automatic transmission, electronic shift on the fly, dynamic fuel management, engine auto stop start feature, trailer brake controller, Bluetooth streaming audio, doors and push button start proximity key, front heated leather split bench seats, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rear view mirror, and power tilt down heated mirrors. GMC, it's not just a vehicle, it's a professional grade tool. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.